Apply the area and perimeter formulas for rectangles in real-world and mathematical problems. For example, find the width of a rectangular room given the area of the flooring and the length by viewing the area formula as a multiplication equation with an unknown factor. Okay, so we are going to be using toothpicks to teach students about area. So one easy way that we can do that to start out with is have students build shapes with toothpicks given a length and the width. So let's say I told the students that the length of an object is 2 toothpicks long, or 2 feet, or 2 inches. These can represent different units. Then they know that the length is 2, so you put 1, 2 together, 1, 2, and then I told them the width was 3. So then they would do 1, 2, 3. And they would continue to build, so they know 3 is on the top. 1, 2, 3. And then we can do 2 here. Okay, so now you have your shape. And they know that length times width is the area, so you can do 1, 2 times 1, 2, 3 is 6. But a way that they can see that is to actually make squares in the middle. So 4 toothpicks makes a square. Okay, so now they can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, and the area is 6. 1, 2 times 1, 2, 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in the standard it says that students should look at a area equation as a multiplication equation, and they should be able to have a missing factor and solve that. So we can do that with toothpicks and model those equations as well. So let's say that I say Andy's yard is 2 feet long, and then I give them the area of Andy's yard is 4 feet. So they know that they need to have 4 squares right here. So they only know the length. So the length is 2, but the area is 4, so it must have 4 squares. Okay, so now they can see that to have 4 squares, you must have a width of 2 also. So 1, 2 times 1, 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was a missing width problem. And then you can also do that with missing length or missing area like we did to begin with. But this is just a great way to teach students about area, and so that they can visually see how area and length and width all relate to each other. And then these can also represent different units, so they can go with any problem.